remember, compound interest does not form an AP. Simple interest will form an AP. Okay. Just write that note. Written? Okay. So compound interest does not form an AP. Simple interest forms an AP. So he will put the money of 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees is invested at 8% simple interest. At 8% simple interest. So 1,000 rupees is invested at 8% simple interest. So calculate the interest at the end of each year. Do these in interest form an AP. So simple interest means what? If they keep the thing for 100 rupees if they have got, so 8% interest means for 1 year he will give 8 rupees as the interest. Okay. So for 100 rupees you will get 8 rupees. For after 2 years if you take, so 8 plus 8 you will get 16 rupees. So only for the principal they will give the interest. That interest they will not add to the principal. Even though if it is in the accounting, after 10 years if you are taking money also, for 100 rupees he will give 8 rupees. Okay, for second year also for that same 100 rupees he will give 8. So 8 plus 8, 16 rupees will be there in the account. But he will not give the interest for 108 rupees as in compound interest. Okay, so every year you will get the same 8 rupees in the account. Okay, so the constant, he will be giving this interest constant amount. That is why it is a yield. Okay, write down now. And what is the formula we have? Simple interest. Simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. Where P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, T is the time for which it is calculated. So 1,000 rupees he will invest at 8%. After 1 year, how much he will get? The interest at the end of first year. At the end of first year. Okay, it will be equal to 100 into rate of interest is 8. Time duration is 1 year into 100. So you will get here, principal is 1,000 here. So you will get around 80 rupees. Okay. So the interest at the interest after 2 years or at the end of the second year, how much you will get? 1,000 into 8 into 2 by 100. That is rupees 160. That is together after 2 years if you are taking, you will get 160 rupees, like that. Okay. So after third year, what you will get? The interest after 3 years. Okay. So it is 1,000 into 8 into 3 by 100. So it is 240 rupees. After 3 years together, if you want to take, it will be 240. So he is asking, after 30 years, what is the amount you will take? Okay, write down this. Will gain 80 rupees. So 80. Say after 2 years, he will take 160. After 3 years, it will be 240. Like that, it goes on. So he is asking, after 30 years, what will be the amount? So N is equal to 30 years. Okay, so A is equal to 80 here, D is 80, N is 30. So find AM. So 30 after 30 years, what is the amount of interest he will take? Okay, so it is A30 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into B. 80 plus 30 minus 1 into 8, or 80 plus 29 into 8. So how much you will get? You will get, yeah, it is actually 30 into 80, no? Total, all this. So 30 into 80 is to 24,000 you will get. No, 2,400. So 2,400 rupees you will. So if we ask the total amount, then it will be principal plus the interest. So principal here is 1,000 rupees. Interest will be 2,400. Total he will get 3,400 rupees after 30 years. But if you check with compound interest, no, it will be way much more when compared to this. Like especially compound interest, if you leave for long duration, no, it makes lot of difference. That is why when you are keeping the FD and all, or somewhere if you are keeping, you have to check whether it's a compound interest or simple interest. Wherever it's a compound interest, the amount what you will get will be very much high, huge when compared to simple interest. There are 5 rose plants in the last row. How many rows are there in the flower bed? So in the flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in the first row. So first row, it contains 23. Second row, it contains 21 plants. Okay. Then third row, it contains 19 plants. Like that, it will, so in the last row, it contains 5. So how many rows are there in the flower bed? So first it is AP will be 23, 21, 19 until 5. Yeah. So how many rows are there? That is, he is asking to find n. A is equal to 23, D is equal to 2, n you have to find, an is equal to 5. Calculate now. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is 5, a is 23 plus n minus 1 into 2. So 5 minus 23. Huh. So you will get B is actually minus 2, no? Yes. So what you will get here? Minus 18 by minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. So 9 is equal to n minus 1, n is equal to 10. Okay. And always remember, n should be a positive integer, because n is which term you are taking, no? So it can't be negative and it can't be decimal. Whenever you are taking, if you are getting decimal or negative number, then you would have done some mistake. That is only verification to find it. Okay. So n is equal to 10 here. So there are 10 rows in the flower bed. We'll start with the exercise 5.2. You have the equation an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So he will give the, in all the 4, 1 will be unknown. So you have to find that. All the 3 will be given. So first question, what he has given? A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8. You have to find AN. So A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8. Here AN, you will get it as 28. Second question. In the second question, A is equal to minus 18, D you have to find. N is equal to 10. An is equal to 0. So we have second one, An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into B. An is 0, that is equal to minus 18 plus N minus 1 into D. Minus 18, when it shifts to the other side, it becomes 18, that is 9D. So D is equal to 2. Second one, everyone got D is equal to 2. Third one, A you should find. D is equal to minus 3. N is equal to 18 and An is equal to minus 5. Most of the things you have got, I think. The third one, what is the answer? A value? 46. So fourth one, I think everyone did, right? Fourth one also you know how to do. Fourth and fifth. Okay. After finishing, we will do next. I mean, fourth one, what is the answer you are getting?
Fourth one, I got n equals 10.
Huh? Do it and tell me what is the answer you will get here. And do the fifth one now. A is equal to 3.5. D is equal to 0. N is equal to 105. An you have to find. Next one we will get An is 3.5. Got now everyone? Do the second. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. First one, 30th term of an AP is what? So he is asking 30th term of an AP. Term of the AP. So 10, 7, 4, it goes on. 30th term you should calculate. So here A is equal to 10. D is equal to 7 minus 10. D is equal to minus 3. So 30th term, N is equal to 30. An you should find. So here An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An we have to calculate. A is 10 plus 30 minus 1 into minus 3. So An is equal to 10 plus into minus minus 29 into 3. So you will get An is equal to minus 77. I think you got right. Second one I will do once. Listen. 11th term of an AP. AP is minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2 and it goes on. So A is equal to minus 3 here. D is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 3. So D is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 3. So this will be 5 by 2. Okay. Now 11th term N is equal to 11. So An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So An is equal to minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 into 5 by 2. So An is equal to minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2. So 25 minus 3. You will get it is 22. So third main, first problem everyone got. You're doing? Okay. Start first, third main, first one. 2 comma dash comma 26. This is A. This term will be A plus B. And third term will be A plus 2. Correct, no? Understood or not? See, this is the first term. First term we call it as A. Second term will be what? A2 is A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct, no? So A2 will be A plus 2 minus 1 into D. That is A2 is A plus D. Always, when you write as an equation here, like this expression, what you will get, if it is A2, you will get A plus B. A3 means A plus 2. One less than the third. Understood? No, n minus 1. You will get like this. So, we have to find A plus D. So, if you know D, I can write A plus 2D is 26. A is equal to 2. Here. So this is 2. 2 plus 2D is 26. 2D is equal to 26 minus 2, 24. So D is equal to 12. Then what is the second term? Second term is equal to A plus D, that is 14. Or A2 is equal to 14. Okay. Shall I do the second one once? If you have a doubt. Second one I will do. Just listen. Because many times similar to that they will ask. This is given like this. So you have to find first and the third term. Okay. So this is the second term we have. Fourth term here is given. You have to find A and third term A3. So whenever you have to find some terms, if you know A and D, I can do that. Correct? So here A2 means A plus D. A4 will be A plus 3D. So A plus D is what? It is 13. A plus 3D is equal to 3. Okay, 2 equations you will get, 2 unknowns. To solve for them, use the elimination method because always A will be there, right? Minus, if you take the minus sign here, I can directly cancel and you will find. So D minus 3D will be minus 2D. That is equal to 13 minus 3, 10. D is equal to minus 5. And A, what is A here? So A plus D is 13. A is equal to 13 minus D, that is minus of minus 5. A is equal to 13 plus 5. A is equal to 8. So if you know A and D, you can find any term in the table. Okay. So this type of question you have to do like this. Write 2 equations. Okay. Then find A and D. Whichever term you want, you can find. Okay. And it's better in the, you can use elimination method. Just subtract one by the other. What you will get, A minus A will be 0. You can find D. From D, you can find A. Okay.
3 minus 2D is also
3 minus 2D. I didn't understand what you are doing. 3 is A4. A4 minus A2 we are doing.
A4 minus 2D.
Why 2D?
Because if you
2 terms are there. 1, 2. That will be equal to E 13. Yeah, okay. Now dash 9.5. This is A we have got. You have to find A2, A3 and A4 he has given. So if you know A and D both, you can find any term. Okay. So find D, then find that. Okay. If anyone having doubt, tell me, I will do that. Okay. This one, na? So you have A here. A is equal to 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth term he has given 9.5. So A4 is equal to 9.5. A4 I can write it as 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 by 2. Okay. So what is A4? A4 is equal to A plus 3D. So A plus 3D, this is A4, that is equal to 19 by 2. 19 by 2 is equal to A plus 3D. A is 5 here. So 19 by 2 is equal to 5 plus 3D, or 3D is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. So here 2, what you will get? 19 minus LCM I have taken. 2 is the LCM. 2 by 2 is 1. 1 into 19, 19. Minus 2 by 1 is 2. 2 into 5 is 10. So here you will get 9 by 2. 3D is 9 by 2. So D is equal to 9 by 2 by 3. Okay. So this is the denominator, not this. 2 by 3 is not denominator. 3 is the denominator. So I can write it as 3 by 1. So D is equal to 9 by 2 into 1 by 3. So D is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. So second term is what? A2 is A plus D. So it is 5 plus 3 by 2. This is equal to 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. Okay. A4, A3, next one. No? So A3 is equal to A2 plus D, correct? So A3 is equal to 13 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So A3 is equal to 13 plus 3, 16 by 2. So A3 is equal to 8. This is minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 blanks and 6. So this is A. You have to find A2, A3, A4, A5. A6 is 6. So A is equal to minus 4. A6 is equal to 6. So find other things. Netra got fourth one. Tamin, do this and tell me how much you will get. A2 and A3.
Okay, ma'am.
Fourth one. See, A is equal to minus 4. A6 means what? A plus 5D. Correct? So A plus 5D is equal to 6. And A we know minus 4. Minus 4 plus 5D is equal to 6. 5D is equal to 6 plus 4. That is 10. D is equal to. Okay. So add A2 is what? A plus D. So A2 is equal to minus 4 plus 2. It is equal to minus 2. Understood? Where you went wrong? A3 is what? A2 plus D. So A3 is equal to minus 2 plus 2. A3 is equal to C. A4, A3 plus D. So A4 is equal to 0 plus 2. It is 2. And A5 is also equal to A4 plus D. So A5 is equal to 2 plus 2. So it is 4. Okay. So after this, do the fifth one. Fifth one is 38, 3 dashes here, minus 22. So fifth one, what he has given, dash 38, 3 spaces are there, after that minus 22. So this is A2, A here, A3, A4, A5, and this is A6. You have to find the missing terms. Okay. A2 is equal to 38. A6. 4, 5, 6. It is minus 22. Okay. A2 means A plus D. That is equal to 38. Okay. A6 means A plus 5D. So that is equal to minus 22. And now change the sign. here minus, this is minus, minus will become plus. Whenever you are changing the sign, you have to change for every term, and also minus will become plus, plus will become minus. Okay, a minus a is 0, plus d minus 5b, it is minus 4b. So that is equal to 60. Okay. So D is equal to 60 by 4 minus 4. So D is equal to 6 minus 15. And also after getting, just check. See, it is decreasing here. So D should be minus. Once verifying things, see here numbers are decreasing. That means D should be minus. So you are also getting D minus. So just you can verify what you are doing is right or not. Each step. Okay. So D is minus 15. What is A now? A plus D, it is 38. So A is equal to 38 minus D. So A is equal to 38 minus of minus 15. A is equal to 38 plus 15. So 38 plus 15, how much you will get? 50. So A is equal to 50. Okay, so this will be 53. What about A3? A3 is equal to A plus A2 plus D. So A3 is equal to A2 is what? 38. 38 minus 15. 23 you will get. Or directly you can write A3 is A plus 2D and also you can find. Anyway, it's the same thing. And A4, 23 minus 15 will be A4. 8 we will get. Then A5, 8 minus 15. Okay, that is minus 7. Here, minus 7 minus 15 will be minus 8. Understood this problem? Huh? So, how you can do? A2 is A plus D, put the value. A6, A plus 5D, put the value. So, elimination method, I have changed the sign here. A I can cancel. D you can find. From D, calculate A. So, any term in that you can calculate. Okay, you also understood? This type of question, sometimes they give, like it's a 2-mark question. Okay.
Here we will end today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.